Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can install CyberGhost VPN on your browser. So first go to google.com and then here search for CyberGhost VPN Chrome extension. Now go to the first link, just open this, and this is the extension we are gonna use. Click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and it's installed. Now go to the puzzle icon, click on puzzle icon and then click on pin. Now let's click on the CyberGhost icon and then select your server. Just click on that. You can select any of countries. Suppose I am going to choose United States. Just select and then click on this power button, and there you go. So it's connected. So now we are from United States. So now let's check our IP address. So go to search bar and then here search for what is my IP, and then go to the first link. So now we are from Los Angeles, California. So we have successfully installed CyberGhost VPN in our browser. So that's how you can install CyberGhost VPN on Google Chrome browser. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.